This is the Le Creuset skinning grill in lapis. Before we can use it, we're going to go ahead and wash it with some soap. I'm going to use some Joy soap to take care of that. Okay, we're going to give this a nice rinse. Okay, so I've got my Le Creuset Skinny Grill preheating currently, and here I have some chicken tenderloins that I've gone ahead and rinsed and dried. So I'm going to be making some blackened chicken. So what I need to do is I need to go ahead and pre-season these. Here I have a mixture of garlic powder, salt and pepper, and a little bit of blackened seasoning. So I'm going to go ahead and season those. I want to make sure I cover everything. Go ahead and do it on the other side. So now that I've given my Le Creuset Skinny Grill the chance to preheat, I now will be able to go ahead and use canola oil to pre-oil the grill. And also, based on how I can feel and the length of time that it's had to preheat, it should be ready for the oil. I really don't need a lot of oil, so I'm going to use paper towel. Just kind of put just enough so that I can coat the pan. Do a little bit more. Want to cover everything, but I don't want it to be too thick. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and take my seasoned chicken and go ahead and lay those on the grill. I'm going to do 4 total at a time. Okay, so what I'm looking to see now is I'm looking to see how much of the chicken that's on the grill is cooked. So what I'm looking to see is that at least half of the surface that's on the grill is actually cooked. And so if you can see about halfway up on each one, it's about whitish color, and that whitish color tells me that that part of the chicken is cooked. So I'm going to go ahead and flip those over so that the other side can get that same white color. Okay, so now that I've given the other side of the chicken a chance to go ahead and cook, I'm going to check that other side and make sure I see those same grill marks on that side. Let's go ahead and double check. They're looking good. Okay, so that's a good way for me to know that that side is also cooked as well. And I can kind of look and see to make sure that I don't see any other pink there. I'm going to go ahead and take those off. I'll go ahead and get ready for my second batch.